Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Mobile Projected Trajectory Algorithm with Velocity Change Detection for Predicting Residual Link Lifetime in MANET. Abstract. It is important to provide reliable connection for sending data to destination in mobile network. The MANET have the ability to provide the end-to-end reliable path and multipath routing. For achieving better QoS than the existing system, we propose NDMPR. In these protocols, data packets from a source can be transmitted along multiple paths, and the ability to choose the most reliable paths or paths with longest RLL could play the significant role in the ability of those protocols to support certain end-to-end QoS for multimedia traffic. So, in our proposed system have the NDMPR protocol. So we do the base paper implementation, that is enhanced version of base paper. So we taken as existing system for our base paper, and we have to propose the NDMPR protocol. Let us see the flow of our project. First, network model is formed. Then we have to discover the route depending on the routing table. The routing table contains information about the source ID and destination ID, and how many hops are needed for transmitting the information, and hop count, and the neighbor node informations, and the simulation time. Next we have NDMPR implementation. There is nothing but neighbor and a distance based multipath routing protocol. For that, process is validated, then route is maintained through the network. It also avoids the congestion, and we have to evaluate our process based upon the four parameters. First one is throughput, second is delay, third one is packet delivery ratio, and fourth one is energy. Let us see the output of our project. In VMware operating system, we have to open the terminal window. It is in right corner bottom place, so we have to click on that. And in existing system, there is in VMware system the already taken NS packages NS 2.34 to 8 package. So we have to set the path for our package. We use the version of NS 2.34, so we have to change the path. For that, type gedit space /bashrc gedit. So it will produce one notepad file. In that, we have to change this NS 2.31 as NS 2.34. And we have to change this NAM window as NS 1.14. So now we go to terminal window, and going to that folder. So type cd space ns all-in-one 2.34, cd space ns 2.34, that we have to type make. So our process is merged with our TCL file. So close the terminal window, and once again open it, and type cd space code, that is our project folder, and type ns space main.tcl. This provides a distance and the routing information. We already saw is that in our flow. So our routing table information is displayed in that place. So this is for source information. This is for source ID, this is for destination, and this is for which time it's taken, and this is for flag value. And then this is our output window. This is called NAM window, that is network animator window. When we click on play forward button, it works. This is for simulation speed. We can increase this speed. So our process is MANET. So all nodes are in mobility, there is in movement. So now the source information, any node can set as source. So the node 27 is act as a source. Then source will send the information to the neighbor node, and that neighbor node choose the shortest distance, and that node is set for that neighbor node. So now in our 15 act as a neighbor. So this source node have 13, 1 and 19. And now multipath routing is done. So the source information is not only going to only one path, it's going to more than one path. So multipath routing is done in that place. So all the nodes which sends information through 7, and it sends information to destination. So in this place, this path is taken as obstacles, because this path is not visible for sending the information to source via source to destination via this path. So this path is dropping. This tells about the dropping factor, that is, if we send the information via this path, it will drop that packet, so information may not send to destination. So we have to choose this magenta color path as our best path, and this cyan color path for our best path. So that path is terminated and the information sent via this path. For our graph evaluation, we have to generate packet delivery ratio graph. For that, type G in new plot space pdr dot plot. So no file is there, so no problem. We have delay dot delay graph. So we have to type so graph is generated using two ways, only one for pdr plot file, another for xg file. We create this in our project, we create xg file, that is xgraph. Xg means xgraph. So type delay dot in that we have to type xgraph space delay dot xg. So we have to compare two process, one for so we have to compare existing system with our proposed system. In existing system, they provide more delay than existing proposed system. This red depicts the existing, and green depicts the proposed. So our system mitigate and tolerate less delay than the existing system.